Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock up here by Daz Evers. That's all it says. There's your bidding on a key. Bidding, whatever. That works. Got a little catch in the center, but that's to be expected. I want to try one of my new picks that I made. This swoop here. And you can go top of the keyway on this and give it a shot. Gonna go to the back here, start. Little something on 5. Something on 4, a little movement. Oh good, the dogs are at it again. I'm up front now, 2 and 1. Getting little clicks on them. Go to the back again. Just working around this warding. Ooh, got a nice drop on that 5. Yeah, that one felt real good. Real good drop on him. Feel like I got something on 2 also. Well, now everybody wants to make noise. I just don't think I'm up high enough. Let me try another pick here. That's it. And it's open. Excellent, excellent. Fantastic. Oh, God. Give me a tray in here. I'm all excited again, guys. It's been a while since I've been picking, so. Oh, get in the hole. Would you get in? Thank you. Oh, see? Can't even contain myself. I'm so excited. I love that new swoop to that pick, man. It does real good. But it just doesn't get up real high. I mean, I had to finish it with a deep set hook here. Let me get a shim just in case. I have something in there that's going to be naughty. Okay. Oh, reach around. It's going to come this way. Oh boy. I need to settle down here. Okay, come on. There you go. There you go, that. Okay. Let's see. I'm not seeing any. Well, yeah, I am. I'm seeing threading. We'll look at that in a second. Let's get these pins out of here. It's 1, 2. I'll show them all to you here in a minute. I'm not. Really great at picking them up. I'll be dropping them all over the place. Let's see here. Well, it feels like threading high. I'm going to have to get a little bit more light on this. Yeah, it looks like threading in all of them, but they're real high. I might just be. No, it is. It looks like fine threading in all of them. To me, anyway. I don't know why the light's so bad. Let's go in here and take a look. Sorry. Let's take a look, see what we got. Hopefully I can do this without doing it too terribly bad. Oh man. Wow, that was a pin and pin. Yeah, wow. This may take a while. These look like there's some tricky pins. Got a lot of pressure on them, and I don't want to mess it up. Yeah. Wow, that one blasted out. Holy cow, luckily it didn't take my finger off. That was mean. Wow. Felt mean anyway. Gonna go into the back. These other two. Oh, hush, puppy. You are a barking fool. Okay. Oh, did not. Stop that. Oh, come on. Thank you. You guys got to talk to it right. Tell you ain't putting up with that stuff. Wow, that's interesting. And a lot of pressure on that spring, too. Heck yeah. And I'm going to take a look, see up in here. Hopefully. I don't see any mods at all in the top. So, no mods in the top, guys. Okay. Here's what we got by Daz Evers. We got a pin and pin in the top on 1 and a standard below, standard in 2, it's upside down, and a T-pin, and then a T-pin is serrated in the bottom, standard in the top, and serrated in bottom, serrated in top, and serrated in bottom, kind of a spoolish serration, and spool in top. And then your springs are different. That one had a lot of pressure on it. So did this one, the middle. 3 and 4 had a lot of pressure. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay legal and have fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.